What would it be like if the first mass-produced car was not made by Ford, but Audi, Mercedes, or BMW instead? Using AI and Photoshop, I have created alternative versions of the Ford Model T. Here are the best ones. The first design was given a BMW style. The car itself became wider than the Model T and much more aerodynamic. It received a characteristic BMW grille, which looks very good on it. The hood design became quite stylish, with two upward curving wings on the sides. The next design was given a Tesla style. The rounded and aerodynamic shapes used by Tesla turned out very nicely, particularly the front end became very stylish. Contrary to the previous design and the Model T, the front wheels became much smaller than the rear ones here. This design was given a Porsche style. It's mainly visible at the front, but the base was a Porsche 911. I really like the front of the car. It became really unique and special. Since practicality is important, it received two detachable lamps, like those used on horse-drawn carriages. Speaking of Porsche, let's bring in Lamborghini as well. Similar to Lamborghinis, it was given a much more angular style. The car became longer and lower than the Model T. The front end turned out incredibly beautiful. The solution for the lamps became stylish and unique. The Mercedes style became much more understated and sophisticated compared to the previous ones. A real novelty was the fender running along the side of the car. The front of the car became completely clean, with no unnecessary elements. The last design was given an Audi style. Compared to the Mercedes, this one became much more rounded and sporty. The front end of the car became particularly beautiful. I really like that the bottom of the grille protrudes slightly. I bid farewell today with this beautiful and retro design. Write in the comments which design you like the most and what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. If you enjoyed it and want to see more fascinating content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Also, click on the notification bell so you never miss any of our mind-blowing creations. See you in the next episode of Auto Imagination.